Morning, what a relief to be sleeping in air conditioning again. But today I'm back to the mainland, to Bandar Abbas, my final stop in Iran. Taking it a bit steady now since an amazing team of supporters across the internet have helped me identify that it seems my bottom bracket has given up at 66,000 kilometers, which is not a bad innings. But now I feel very cautious about riding on it until I can get it fixed or replaced. Hi Mehdi, salam.
Salam. Salam.
This is the sand.
Forward two.
And we eat it, right? It's sand. I'm about to eat sand. I'm eating sand. Very good. Merci. Okay, I'm much happier with this setup. I'm not going to miss this annoying modem that requires being positioned just so no matter which cable I use to charge it. Okay, Bandar Abbas, final stop in Iran. Feeling pretty flush with some riyals left in my pocket. I thought I'd try a fancier hotel for my last night. Nope, that's still a little bit too fancy for me. Let's try another one. Last Iranian hotel room, and again with the make-it-yourself sheets on the bed. I've got a delicious lentil dish here. Bread that's like popping plastic that I found so bizarre when I first got to Iran and I'm going to miss so badly. It's beans and lentils with a little bit of chicken in it, I think, and a bit sweet, beautifully spiced. First time cycling in all this nonsense, and I can say that now because I'll have left the country by the time I publish this. But I'm taking the bike to the bike shop, and unless I wanted to put more of my cycling clothes on for 1 kilometre, then I just have to try and not get all my coat and scarf caught up in everything. And hopefully get my bottom bracket fixed. For some reason it's being fixed out on the street, which is a bit disconcerting, but he certainly seems to know his way around the tools. The bottom bracket couldn't be fixed, but to my utter relief and delight we were able to find the correct size parts in the bike shop over the road. Just retensioned the belt a little looser. The tightening that I did the other day has made it too tight now that the problem is solved, but I've tensioned that down again and it seems in excellent working order. Hooray! Can you hear that? No, because there's no squeak. The new part wiped out the last bit of my cash, but I was able to change a little bit more. Very easy here in Bandar Abbas. So now I'm just going to eat, drink and shop my way around Bandar for my last day in Iran. It's a Hindu temple. I'm just 2 borders, Pakistan basically, away from India, but the temple is closed sadly. I need a new plug for Dubai. I guess this is the type. This is a particular kind of dried lemon that you eat whole in certain stews. Bye, Iran. Salam. Cam, لطفاً, küçük, lütfen. Hello, Mercy. Salam. It's 7 o'clock, so the restaurant is completely empty because Iranians do not eat at 7 o'clock. But I've just ordered myself a very exciting, massive feast. So then afterwards I can go and spend the remaining rial on other delicious treats. Gosh, I'm so excited. I got everything. I got jujere chicken, zeresh polo, horma sabzi, duh, those delicious olives with the walnut pomegranate paste, and the funny popping plastic lavash bread. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat it all. How could I forget? A plate of fresh herbs served as a side dish. I did it. I cleaned my plates. And that was my final meal in Iran. Tomorrow, Dubai. That's exciting and also devastating. Early start on my way to the ferry to Sharjah, one of the Emirates. Wow, I'm going to the Emirates. I nearly left my visa and visa extension paperwork behind at the hotel. I forgot that they had them behind the desk. The man chased after me, thank goodness. And the bike is riding like a dream. So lots of reasons to be cheerful despite leaving my beloved Iran. Oh my god, the ferry is cancelled. I spoke to a very unhelpful security guard that didn't want to help me at all. He didn't know what was going on. I found somebody in uniform who told me it was cancelled and that it was going to go on Wednesday. My visa expires tomorrow on Tuesday. Shit! Then he put me on the phone to the agent who speaks English and he said, no, the ferry is going tomorrow. Bit better. I had a discussion with my family about not taking the last ferry in case this very thing happened. Oh my god, just aged 10 years. But I've got another 10 in my hand. Oh my god.